Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Just need to refresh this. Two subs. 7 seconds ago. So this should be live right now, right? Let's refresh again. There we go. So, okay. Let me click this right here. Okay, so last time, since I streamed last time, I did a few things off stream. I think the primary things are the angle stuff. So let's see if I can right here. So this is just the you know, the angle 0, whatever. We don't have any rotation. But like this line, this line, this line took fairly long actually, even though I fucked around with this a while. It didn't work, and then I realized I was doing something wrong at a different spot. It leads me to the second function that I fixed, which was this create line between points. I was doing 0.1 minus 0.2, so it was going the wrong direction. I guess that used to work. Fuck knows why. Yeah, well, so I fixed that. I fixed all of that too. Then I added the intersects function, which looks like this. Pretty much an unreadable mess, but it's not actually that complicated. So you can see the isrect right here. This is based on a I should actually just write this down. If there is a line that separates two polygons, they are not intersecting. In any way. So I also the way I did this is too that it always has to be outside. So it's not just intersecting, but also, I guess I should write that down too. Also counts. So if one rectangle is inside the other one, it counts as intersecting. Also, fuck, I just realized I messed this up. Because if isrect is right, then there is no intersection. Oh jeez, okay. So I need to do like this. And the these operators should short circuit, which means that if at any point, if any one of these fails, basically, it immediately will return false, and it will not execute the other. Whoops, I thought I copied this. Rect I use fucking copying and pasting so much. Okay, let me think about this. Is this correct? So if... So this is there's a line. This is a line. Rect bottom right, rect top right, right? So the line is from the bottom right corner to the top right corner. So if the other rect is completely right, then it returns true, but that becomes false. Yeah. So if this returns true, that means there is a separating line. Then this becomes false. Then because it's an end, it immediately short circuits and returns. Okay, that's good. So there's something to be said about ordering these in a certain way that makes it more likely. Like I could do like some kind of if statement that is based on like the position or something, but I don't think that's actually worth the effort. Maybe later, but for now this should do. I actually don't even think I really use any intersection that isn't angle 0. I'm fairly sure I don't. So this doesn't even really matter. Okay. Now on to the serialization, because I'm pretty sure this is more or less everything. Actually, I'm really not that sure. There's a pretty high chance that some stuff is broken from this rewrite, and I did not fix it. So I don't need this anymore. All of this, like rewriting shit, is done so I can actually serialize this class, which I will now do. Yep, serialized rectangle. Now, the real question is, how does the inheritance here work? And the answer is, I don't fucking know. I think I can call... Yeah, let's think. Does that make sense? You know what? It actually doesn't at all. Let's just do this. It's the same, except... What the fuck is this? And then we just do left, top, width, height. Real simple shit. Oh yeah, and it just occurred to me that I need to add angle to this. And I need to do this here as well. Technically this is like inefficient because I'm rewriting the same thing, but this is like so simple it doesn't really matter. Okay. Whatever. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I don't care. Okay. So next up is, I think, object. I did this in a kind of stupid way. Really, I should remove objects because it's kind of pointless, but it also doesn't really matter. So I don't think I will. Oh yeah, I don't use any of this anymore. I guess I should remove this. It even says not be above or correct. Why is this even still here then? Whatever. I guess I'll just delete these. I don't. I'm like, this is like before I even started serialization. Okay. So compile, that's good. All right, well, let's just do this. And I think what I'm gonna do here is just copy this. No point in changing anything or doing anything dangerous. And all I need to do is add the speed and a velocity. Now the really interesting thing here is if speed is it gonna accept speed? because I already defined the serialize for speed, right? For an F2, I mean. But is it actually going to accept that? Like, is it going to call that automatically? Is it going to do some kind of weird, like, inherit? Oh, it is not. Error expression cannot be used as a function. Archive is not inherent. What? Archive has not been declared? What do you mean archive has not been declared? Okay, well, I'm going to assume that the issue here is this, the speed thing right here. Oops. Okay. What the hell? Did I forget? Oh, I did forget to copy something. Lol. You know, I actually kind of don't like this being on two separate lines. This is one function declaration. I guess let's try the speed thing again. Whoa, because it might work. And I'm curious. I think it is working. So while we do this, let's go to the next class, which I'm pretty sure is unit, which is where most of the work is going to come in. Because, well, look at this. There's a shitload of fucking stuff to serialize. Yeah, okay, well. So it looks like it is working. Let's just put an enter here. This is going to be a long-ass function. Now, I mean, I guess. Yeah, I just added this, whatever. Like a lot of stuff I can just add, like name. Selected, I don't think I need to add. Some of these are not even used, like flying. I don't know if I should add this now. I mean, I guess I might as well, right? Can attack is important. Can be moved. So the interesting thing here is that it calls the default constructor, which does nothing. But these, like, okay. And then it just adds. I probably need to do like the weird thing where instead of default constructor it calls a specific. No, that is not Atom, that is Sublime. And rotate. Controlling, I don't even know what this is. You know, I just fucking add all of this stuff. I mean, it's just bull, so there's not really much that can go wrong here. It's building, being built, carrying energy. Fuck, I don't know what this is. I don't even know, dude. I don't think any of this stuff matters. In fact, I kind of want to get rid of some of this stuff. Let's just like delete some of this stuff. Like this doesn't do anything. Controlling, I don't know. Flying doesn't do anything, but I guess it will at some point. Air, what the fuck? No, just get rid of that. I don't know. There's no reason to have these like bowls in here that don't do anything. Not until they will actually do something. So where was it? Being built. Animated is actually important. That actually does something. I used to just add a shitload of attacking doesn't matter either, by the way. That's just I guess you just get rid of it, like, no reason to add this. These are like things that, so some of these are like, sort of like settings. Unit.cpp. Oh, right, of course. Oh, God. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, no. Oh, dude, I just realized this, removing this stuff is gonna be a pain in the ass. Carrying... No, this is so bad, dude. This is so bad. This is so bad. Why did I even make this horrible fuck... Oh, God. Should I fix this right now? I mean, fuck it. I might as well, right? Alright, so what can we remove? You know, basically everything. What I actually should do... So, okay, so if you put stuff here, like attack animation timer 0, then this is always called, no matter what destructor you use, and then it's overwritten by the destructor, over by the constructor if such a constructor exists. So I can sort of make this work. I may have to make some adjustments to the default constructor. What I kind of want to do is just delete this whole thing. This I don't need to use this constructor. Like, look at this. It doesn't do anything. I guess it does some things. Yeah, I guess it does some things. Okay, let's just start removing things. Resource capacity, resource gathered, gather time, gather duration. So this is when I added the stuff when this game was gonna be more like StarCraft, so we had like workers that would like run back and forth to gather resources. And I don't think it's worth doing this. Let's remove this stuff. Attacking, animating, controlling, can rotate. Like, if I have to add something, I just add it, right? It's not a big deal. So things like pushing and pushed, attacking don't need to be in here, I think. Has needs to be in here. It sounds weird, but this is like animation stuff. Pushing, I think, needs to be in here. No, actually it doesn't. And I'm gonna set this to false as well. I don't think I currently use this, but I might. And invisible definitely needs to be in here. Oh god. So current doesn't need to be in here, that doesn't matter, but max does matter. Max shields. Supply definitely needs to be in here. Sight range, yep. Health, I don't know actually. I think there's like a current health and max health, question mark. There should be either one. Okay, so let's just do, okay, there's current health. So health is max health, so that's good. We add that. Set them all to 0, which is good. Attack point and attack delay both need to be in there. Okay, I'm actually gonna move this down so the copying is a little easier. Armor, yep. Moving speed, yes. Range, yep. Current health, no. Attack animation timer, I don't think so. Maybe, I can't be sure. It's not a big deal if I add something that doesn't need to be in here, so I might as well. Kill time, yep. Attack timer, I don't think so, but we'll add it anyway. Barrel length, yes. This is again animation stuff that I probably won't end up using. I'll probably think of a better way to do this. But for now, resources carried, it doesn't matter. Get rid of all of this. Rolling timer, I don't think so, but radius, yep, that was definitely important. Camera range, yes. Resource costs, yep. Offset, yep, that one's important too. Types, don't actually use this yet, but I almost certainly will. Okay, no errors, good. Head, sure, we'll add that. Otherwise, if I don't add this stuff, the tank doesn't work anymore. Or it won't look right. So this is basically just for units that have a separate like turret or like a separate head texture that moves independently of the body, like a tank. Let's skip something. Main texture, imported head texture, being built textures, this is all important stuff. Idle animation. Oh god, now I need to write a serialization for animation. I mean, let's just do that right now before I forget. See if we can find it. I think it's actually in sport classes. Yep, there it is. So this is a header only file. Get rectangle, question mark? So if I add this here, well, let's just see if this works. Rectangle, there is a, yeah, there's a get rectangle class, which just returns this, that's good. So what else do we want here? animating, loops, animation timer, animation duration. I don't think I actually need a timer, but whatever. Animation sheet, and the texture dimensions. Surprisingly simple clash, should be no problem. Let's go back directly to unit. Projectile. Now this is an order type, which is an enum. So I don't know how that'll work, or if it'll work. It should probably be fine. Ability cooldowns. So yeah, these are not. Actually, this just works. I was thinking this was going to be an issue, but it's not actually. So what I was thinking is like, okay, so I need to, if it calls the default constructor, right, then these things won't be created properly. They will be like just nothing. They'll be nothing. But now that I think about it, if I just copy them, it's not a problem. Okay, the orders. Woo! Okay, next one is the order queue. So this uses a DQ, and I don't know if this is serializable by default. Fuck, where did I go? Where did I go? Here it is. Doesn't inherit from anything. Well, we'll see. I don't know what this no order thing is. But I guess I need to serialize order as well. And this one is fairly simple. Targets, type, target is units. Let's see what it makes a. Okay. So it seems to be compiling. So we were at orders. Animation targets. I'm gonna move it down a little bit more. Barrel position. This doesn't really work. Like the barrel position is the ellipse. This is just a vector with an enum in it, no problem. Abilities, again, order types, no problem. Unique ID. Well, that's interesting. I think that shouldn't be an issue. Pathfinding. Ah, Jesus. Okay. You know what? I don't need to add this. I don't need to add this at all. Oh, that doesn't need to be added either. Not neither the pathfinding nor the pathfinding step nor the path. Actually, the path maybe should be added. Maybe the pathfinding step 2? Question mark. Previous position, yeah, that should be added. Push direction, sure. That doesn't really need to be added. Walls, oh Jesus, oh boy, oh god, this is where shit gets fucked up. Okay, so the walls thing is an issue, and I think what I need to do is just make this do with this. Really, really just very simple. Oops. And, but first, I'm gonna write serialization for wall. This doesn't actually have a serialization, whatever. Let's go to wall. And once again, I just get rectangle. Type name. I don't know why walls have names. I should set all of these to base false, I think. Enable thing doesn't really need to be there, but whatever. Okay. Now, doesn't seem to be giving me any errors. Right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this. And this is gonna throw errors at me. So it just occurred to me that a lot of these errors are gonna come from something that I am going to remove, which is the old init system. God, I have so much bullshit open right now. Let's just close all of this stuff. Here it is, units. So first of all, I'm just gonna go to add unit. Vector walls, if add walls. So add wall, I'm like fairly certain makes copies. So let's just do this. Yeah, this is not necessary anymore. I guess this is fine. No. It is giving me a lot of errors. Get walls, yeah. So get walls. So now I need to go to init. Oh, so this does actually exist. Get wall. Oh, right, of course. Yeah, returns wall. Okay. So that should be good here. Let's see what other errors we get. I think there should be more, yes. Where is this? It's an init. Okay. I don't know why it's put it in such a weird spot. I don't know why I even set rectangle here. So let's push back results. Okay, that sounds looks good. Looks like it's not giving me any errors. So that's good. Oh, nope, there's errors. Units 506. Close more stupid shit. Yep, we can close all of this. Units, it's in... Wait, how do I do this again? Control G? There you go. Align 506. Yeah, so this was a really misguided attempt to do something that was really stupid and complicated, and I'm just gonna delete this. Whoops, not there. Delete ones. Okay. You know, I don't think this is actually all that inefficient. So yeah, I was thinking, what else? What is not gonna work? This is kind of an issue. Head texture set size. Is it an issue though? Now that I think about it. Maybe not. Units CPP 3177. 3177. Oh yeah. So what is this exactly? Make unit, right. If wall intersects wall move, does this make any sense at all? What is target in this case? Target, get target position? I don't fucking know what this is. This looks like nonsense to me. Dream up, get walls. Right. Uh, 266. So I think they're copied either way, which is good. They should be copied. And the other one was 11. Okay, what else? 1295. If units... Okay, I don't think I need to have this anymore. Is this it? Is this all? I think this is all. No, wait, there were more errors. Wait, did I fix this one already? 2664? 2664. This is clearly something different, but it's right here. One, 2652. Displayability cursor. Okay, so this is fine. This just displays things, doesn't matter that it's a pointer. I am afraid that changing all this is gonna break a lot of stuff. Ouch. Looking good so far. Now, if this does compile, which it looks like it is going to, it'll almost certainly crash as soon as I start. That's my prediction. Okay, so if it compiles. Started. Let's see the crash. No, looks like it didn't crash yet. Okay, now let's try the building editor, which is actually the map editor. But oh yeah, I forgot to fix this. Oh my god. Jesus, no. Everything is broken. Oh god, okay. I forgot to fix this. This is actually broken from the I'm getting rid of shape. Let's just go to create building editor UI. Bam, there it is. Oh, you know what? It's not in Create, it's in the raw building editor UI. This is where the positioning happens. Holy fuck. Oh god. Window width, text size. Set position. Okay, so we're setting the position to window position plus, and then blah 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 blah. So walls are on the left. So I think I want to just turn this to 0. And then I times text size. See how much cleaner this code gets by making it by making set position go to the top left corner instead of the center. Like, goddamn, what a difference. Yeah, now they can just get to set to the same position as the window position. I could actually just like rotate these. It's kind of an interesting idea, but probably not really worth it. Get height. So once again, these should be the same. Okay. So why is adding the walls back in now broken? I don't know, but I don't know if it's even worth fixing because I'm gonna replace the system anyway. I mean, that's literally what I'm working on, right? So before this, I used this INI thing. Look at this shit. So this is like some weird homebrew thing that I made that I was using to save buildings, walls, maps, and shit like that. But now that I'm using the some real serialization, does it even matter? Do I even need to do this? I don't think so. I think the answer is no, I don't. I don't need to do this. Maybe that's the answer. Yeah. But let's see if I fix the UI. Whoops. Interesting. So, one of the things that is noteworthy here is that the size of the size of the text is inconsistent. So capitals are larger than regular letters. So I kind of feel like, okay, so like look at this, the center's at the, but if it was actually move it down that much, and I think it's like a little too small as well, maybe. So let's just move it down a little bit, and we'll see how that looks. So we want to do I times text size. Text size. Huh. You know, it just occurred to me that there was like holes in between Right, there was holes in between the there were holes between the UI boxes, but like between the boxes, which shouldn't actually happen. That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, there's clearly holes here, which doesn't make any sense. Oh, I bet this is in Create. The UI elements. Huh. Get local bounds. So we add the text element. Then we get the local bounds of the text element, but it's clearly not the same. Let's look up what get local bounds does exactly. And this is text. Get local bounds. Get local bounding rectangle for the entity. Get scale. There's no like get size. Does it say anything more? Take account transformation, translation, rotation, scale. Oh, okay. Let's just try the let's try turning this into global bounds instead. Let's give it a try. I feel like this isn't gonna work. Done compiling, finally. Yeah, I don't know why this gives like an incorrect size. It like sort of almost works. I don't know, I guess this is good enough. I don't really care that much. This is fucked up though. Also don't care about that. I will fix that in a different... That's like literally the system I'm replacing right now. I don't know how though yet. Okay, I'm gonna write like a wrapper for it. Hmm. If I want to do this, I don't know. I need to think about this. I'm gonna end this stream for now.